Oi, it's Creep Games, boy! And hello, everybody. How have you been? Good? Okay. And this is episode number 2 of my survival world. Still hasn't been night. This is gonna be an interesting adventure today. So, what we're gonna do today is kind of a house project, making sure the house isn't nice, and then we'll probably go mining. Yeah, that's what today's topic will be on. Yeah, today's topic will be housing. Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay, just get these trees out of here. Oop, ooh. Tree, is there something I'm missing? Talking to my tree. And maybe it should be on hard difficulty. That'd be a little too scary for me. Because then there would be spiders. Eek. Not spiders. Ugh. There's already spiders, but they're just scary. And oh no. Oh no. Oh no, they're gonna get me! Before I can even finish my own house. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Gonna get me. Ugh. Gotta hurry up before it's night. Ah! Oh no. Oh no, the light is fading. Oh gosh. This is terrifying. This is just terrifying. Better get my door in. Okay. Cover it up. Finish. Got to finish. Maybe they won't know I'm in here. No, they're gonna know. Okay. I'm safe. Hopefully. Okay, hopefully I won't get mauled. Hey, I'm safe in my house. That was very easy. Very easy. Okay. is good. Zombies probably won't come to my house now that I'm all suited up. Not really actually suited, but okay. Just leave it there. This is called the waiting game. What am I making? No, that's not the way to make it. If I'm trying to make a fence gate. But I'm pretty sure this is the way to do it, but I don't know why I want a fence gate. It's just cool. Is it already getting to be day? I don't know. Those pigs are so unlucky out there. Let's see, maybe this look off my head. I'm gonna make it upstairs. While I wait. Or actually, you know, never mind. Thought I had wool. But no, I don't. Actually, have any. Going crazy. So hungry. So hungry. Oh no, what do I do? What do I do when I'm so hungry? I'm going crazy. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Oh no. Okay, everybody, this has been a wild adventure making my house. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.